Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sending a voice message in Snapchat. If you want to add a personal touch to your chats and communicate with your friends using your voice, stick around for this full guide. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the screen. Step 2. Go to the chat where you want to send the voice message. It could be an individual chat or a group chat. Step 3. Once you're in the chat, locate the input bar at the bottom of the screen. Look for the microphone icon within the input bar. Step 4. Tap and hold on the microphone icon. While holding, start recording your message. Speak clearly and express yourself. Step 5. Release the microphone icon when you're done recording your voice message. And just like that, you can send a voice message in Snapchat, adding a personal touch to your conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.